We're now here at Manor. Oh, it's so nice.
Nice.
It's so nice.
We'll go to the hotel.
That was
Yes.
your claim stuff for the luggage.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hmm?
Green jacket.
May?
Green jacket. Saan tayo?
Ito. Your shoes. Wait lang. Wow! Remove your shoes, please. Wow, walang wow. Wow! Momo. Ang ganda. Ganda ng view natin, in fairness.
Hey, there's candies. Oh no, that's expensive. We'll go to
May I see the candies?
7-Eleven. Buy ice
Meron
cream.
uli silang ano. Oh, you open the balcony. Ay, these are sale, ha? Oh, sige, open it.
We'll go there.
You already brought your own
We'll
candies,
go
Miguel.
there.
Martina, may Netflix na.
Uy, wow!
May Pride.
Upgraded na.
May open.
Hindi na sila cable. Uy, don't jump. Wow! Ang ganda! Wow! Nasa third floor tayo. Ang ganda. Thank you. Thank you, Manor, for giving us a good view of the garden. The best view, actually. Sabi nung ano, sa baba, best view daw yung sa atin. Yeah. Ano talaga? Kasi usually, ang mga garden deluxe rooms are mostly located on the ground floor. Pero sabi ko, but before we got the one on the second floor, baka pwede. So, kakakulit ko. Ayun. Kaya kami ng third floor. Yay! Ayun si Santa! Martina, look! Ayun na yun! Oh my gosh! Nagpapakita si Santa sa ano? Wait lang.
Ano, account?
Wow! Christmas movie marathon tayo. Yay! Ayo. Ang ganda ng room. Thank you, Lord. We have the best view. Last year, doon kami sa kabilang side. Superior na lang yung naging available. So, walang balcony. But we also had the best view. Pero second floor lang yun. Yun yung room namin last year. Pero walang balcony doon. Yung kitang-kita namin si Santa. How nice, how wonderful. Preparing the stage for tonight's event. Meron silang orchestra, yung St. Louis University Orchestra and Dance Troupe. And this is new, that bridge. The theme this year is a Yuletide tradition. So, as as you can compare from the previous years themes, mas ano siya ngayon, hindi siya masyadong cluttered. Mas simple, but yun nga, elegant. Tradition nga, Yuletide tradition. Kung aayusin mamaya. Ayan, so...
Miss kasi. Let's go home na lang. Sige. Kaya mo kiss na natin. Kiss na lang. And then, we'll stay here.
Aha. Ako, Miguel, wag mo ko. We have our own snacks, ha? Yan, meron silang bathroom. Isa lang. Hand soap and lotion. Ayan. Wala talaga silang bathtub dito kahit yung, I think wala. Kahit yung pinaka expensive nilang room. Parang walang bath tub. And tada!
Okay na.
Yan, we're having our late lunch. Ano ba to? Inasal? What's this? Dami naman. Eat na, Miguel. Going to the garden now. Wait lang. 170. Room 313.
Do you have your key card?
Hindi nasa room.
Under what name na lang po?
Daus.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Okay lang. Hindi na kayo magbibigay ng ano. Okay, thank you. That's our room. Saan yung room natin dyan? Ito siguro. Ayun Yan. Umakit na. Maraming mga stores around. There's also wall climbing. Maybe on Monday. And there's trampoline. Bago to. Last year wala. And merong Target shoe. And meron ding go-kart over there. Doon pa sa may bonfire. May go-kart. How nice. Mamaya or tomorrow or Monday night punta kami dito. Go-kart kami. That's CR ata dun. Nandiyan sila, dito sila naka-relax. relax ang mga performers. Marami. Busog pa kami. Pero medyo tomorrow. Tagal pa naman kami
Check, check, check.
para marami mag-dinner tonight. You call him na.
Trampoline.
Ay!
Daddy, wake up. It's Christmas. You know. You say that again. No. See, it's
Santa Miguel! Look, there's Santa! Birthday boy! My Ayun na! Ayun na si Santa, oh! Ganda! Tina! So, nakauwi na pala yung orchestra. Ano lang sila, one round lang. So, ngayon, mga live show na lang. And mga dancers. Sige, you sit. You watch.
slide. Nahulog siya sa swing kanina.
Bakit?
Sprint niya pababa.
Waiting mo muna sila. Kung wala pang nagre-response. Kasi may waiting na pang
Ayan ang aming appetizer, calamari. Sarap ng calamari nila. Pati ng sauce.
Mahal din yan. Nahampas ka pa.
Ang strawberry milkshake namin, pinahalo namin. Ito yung 4-piece chicken nila. In fairness, malaki. And ribs for sharing. Masarap. Mashed potato. Happy eating! Mga gutom mo.
I don't know that.
Yan, lambot oh. Ang soft, tsaka sakto yung taba. May taba ba, be? Ayan ang taba. Ayan oh. Wow. Okay.
Try mo nga, mami.
Hmm?
Try mo.
Ito nasira! 4!
Bagay ah. walang pila ngayon. Bilis lang kaming nakaupo.
Miguel, is the baby Grinch ugly or cute? Ugly.
I'll buy you baby Grinch doll.
Ayaw. Oh, wow. Tree is
Tree is, wala kayo ito.
Favorite namin.
Puno.
Puno.
That's a puno here.
Puno.
Sarap.
That's a puno.
Ito lang yung mga available breakfast meals nila. Vegan longganisa. Saka bangus. Ay, di ba sabi ko bangus? Kalimutan nila yung isa yun lang. Walang kusina yan.
Hi.
We're now at Burnham Park. Yay! Nakapag-Burnham Park kami this year. Kasi last year, ang hirap mag-park. Sobrang daming tao. Because, ano siya, last year, long weekend. Because December 8 fell on Friday. Yaan? Wala, sira na yan. Wala yung mga bars. Kanina, iyak na iyak si Miguel because he just wanted to stay in the hotel premises. Tapos sabi namin, no, we're going to ride in the park. Ride bike in the park. Tapos iyak pa rin siya na iyak. Pagdating dito, natahimik. Ayan.
Look, you read. I am an only child. Died before his brother.
Flowers na sila ngayon. Parang last year wala. Last December. Ka.
Hello.
Sabi ko mag-tumbling ka. Ay, hindi na marunong.
Hello.
Hiana. Nabudol
Ang daming
ako.
bee.
Hindi pala siya. Real sunflower.
Saan si Daddy?
This is the ang tawag dito? A bell house. Ah, ito pala yung bell house. Ito ba yung sinabi na ano, hindi available? Maan lang.
The flag. The flags are here. The flags are back. The flags are back.
Wow.
Again, there's no one blowing down there.
Wow, you can see the manor here now.
I want.
Ay, Miguel, quiet na. So, yun nga, hindi na kami pumunta sa Secret Garden because it's under renovation daw. Kuha ka dito. Balik na kami sa hotel.
Gusto mo i-try some
Nasaan na yung mga ibang tindahan dito?
Mommy, let's go.
Diba, kung nag-breakfast tayo doon. Manor never fails to amaze me with their Christmas decorations. Every year, it's different, but they're all equally amazing. Ang gaganda lagi. Akala ko this year, simple lang yung decors nila. Pero once I got here, ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Where's the CR?
Ano ba? Hindi ko pa rin alam.
Look, we're pushed up in morning.
Yes. Let's go, Miguel. May restroom dyan. Look, oh, Miguel, oh.
Here.
What? Wow, you have a arts and crafts station.
Art and
You want?
art and craft.
Mm-hmm.
They put the wood. They cut the wood. Nice. And there.
Can we go down here?
That is
Pwede rin pala
Forest
tayo.
Lodge.
Yeah.
It's here. It's
Uh-uh.
Forest
Uh-uh.
Lodge at Manor.
Ate has photos from 10 years ago
We went there.
in this forest. Yan, no? Pwede naman bumaba dito. Eh. Ayan. We're back to the garden. Nako, magta-trampoline na naman yun. Oh, nice. May setup na sila for later. Back to regular programming na uli. Let's go. Here. Walking to the forest.
Mommy, take it.
Dilim sa forest. Fighter. ate. Must activity na ako sa dito mag-bonfire. Ito yung a la carte breakfast nila. Adobo. Adobo ba yan? Ito tapa. So this is our last day in Baguio. Stayed on December 7 to 10. So 3 nights. We had a pleasant weather. Thank you, Lord. Walang ulan. And everybody had fun and safe vacation. By Santa. Sana next year may ganyan pa rin. Kasi every year they change their theme. But every year it's always equally wonderful ang kanilang decorations. Pero I like this one. Classic Christmas lang. May year, no? Pre-pandemic. Nakita ko lang sa YouTube, Frozen. Ayoko yung mga ganon. Ayoko yung mga character. Pero nagustuhan ko rin yung 2 years ago, we were also here, yung Enchanted Holidays theme nila. Bye! Bye, Manor!